Hey guys, this is Double JG and this is my first official video. So a day ago, I posted my channel trailer on YouTube. Then I found out I didn't have any content. And I made quite some promises in that trailer. So why don't we just look at that trailer again and look if I can fulfill some of those promises. So where's that fast forward button? Alright, over here. Here. So, explosions? That doesn't seem that hard. Yesterday me probably had some good ideas. So, why don't we just dive straight into it? Let's go on iMovie. First of all, go to New. This is a German computer, so it'll probably be a little bit different from what you have. But go on Film or Movie or whatever it is in the English version. And now you have different things to choose from. I'm just going with the first one because that's like basic. Yes, let's call it explosion test. All right. Now we need to just import some video. You can just do that by clicking on here and choosing your video and just dragging it in there. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna be right back. So I just imported this. It's basically just picture. Now iMovie does something really annoying, which is always put a what's called a Ken Burns on it, which is really annoying because you don't want everything to just move up and down. So you have to go on this symbol and click over here, or in this case you can just take this because we don't need the entire picture. Take this, be ready, go out, and now you have this picture. Now this isn't very brilliant quality, but that's just iMovie. So now you need to import an explosion effect from one of the websites listed on the right side. Okay, I normally take most of my effects from footage crate. Yeah, here I got some little things. So I'll just take this one, just drag it on top of this one so it matches up. Now this isn't technically made for what I'm using it, but it's okay. You can like see this effect already, but to really fit it into the scene you need to go on picture in picture. Take this away because this is like the blending kind of effect thing that we don't really need at all. Now let's make it this slightly bigger so you can basically like turn it around pretty much. Right one. No. turn it around, then click on this button and drag it wherever you want, and you can like make this poor little woman explode like this. Of course, after that she's still there, so you would probably need to cut this clip a little and cut the effect a little. Okay, that's nice. Now iMovie comes with some sound effects, but unfortunately they're like really, really bad sound effects. Like this is a sound effect for warp engineering. Amazing. You can use that in every single video. Not. In the beginning I was kind of using this sound effect for gunshots and explosions. And I mean, it kind of fits. Like you can put it in here and listen. But it's like the swing of the metal and not really. So you can import a sound effect from either YouTube or any one of those websites I'm listing on the right side now. And I've got quite some sound effects imported. And I'm just gonna take my bomb sound effects. Like a lot of times, like the sound effect you're using doesn't sound really good, doesn't sound good enough. Then you can always mix it with some stuff. Like I could mix this with a shotgun blast and throw an extra gunshot in there, and then it'll probably, for my luck, most probably sound really weird, but sometimes it sounds good. Yeah, that actually doesn't sound that bad. Wait, just dragging all the clips to the original length. That really doesn't sound bad. I like it. So this was my first video. I hope you like it. Subscribe if you want some more stuff. And we'll see you next time. Next week, maybe tomorrow, maybe never again. Maybe tomorrow there will be an earthquake. Well, if that doesn't happen, we're probably gonna see us again. Bye!